So this is our first home that we're seeing in Rancho Palos Verdes that is on the Previews Luxury Tour. Oh, it looks gorgeous. With the views. Oh, captivating. Ocean views.
How do you do? Welcome. Please make yourselves at home.
Thank you.
I am, yes. Very nice to see you.
Thank you.
There's about 8,100 square feet of living space, which includes a guest quarters in the front building that you're welcome to go through, which is air conditioned like the rest of the house is. We're serving Pinot Grigio downstairs.
Oh.
Please ask one of our assistants down
This is
there
a way to show houses.
And as you leave, there's water, pineapple juice, and a box of fruit candy.
Isn't that lovely? These are the agents on the preview tour of this exclusive luxury home in Rancho Palos Verdes. This is John's house, $6,559,000. It is one of the highest points in the exclusive community, providing majestic views of the Pacific Ocean and Catalina Islands. It's a Mediterranean style estate with over 8,100 square feet. Oh, and it has a gym downstairs. Very nice setting for outside. Enjoying. I think we'll take a step upstairs. Oh, the interior. Oh, what an office. It has such a great feel of an indoor and outdoor living space. Oh, and a full room. Isn't that great with the wood? Very detailed wood. Nice, great room with a billiard table. Gotta love that. How do you like it?
Gorgeous. This happy room.
I think this is the nicest part of the room.